Hello, parents and students. Nice to talk to you again. Hopefully I'll get to talk to you one-on-one tomorrow. But the first thing I'd like to talk about today is Kami. It seems like most of the questions and problems we have to do with Kami. So I just would like to do a little tutorial about it. Okay, so let's say here's my assignment that I want to use for Kami. So you click on your assignment. So hopefully in a perfect world, as soon as you click on it, at the top, it would say open with Kami. Kami is a free extension that all of the students had put on their computers months ago. So hopefully this is what comes up. And if that's what comes up, then great, you would just click on it. Sometimes you'll just see an arrow or an upside down triangle. If you see in that spot the triangle, you would click on it and then it would say annotate with Kami. Same thing, you would click on it. Now, sometimes the other thing that might happen is you might not have anything here. So you would not have the blue rectangle, or you would also not have the little arrow. When that happens, all you have to do is go to the side, click on these three little dots, and you want to open a new window. And once you do that, then you'll have an option like this. So either the blue Kami button will appear or the open with. And when that happens, you're going to click on annotate with Kami. So if you do all of that and you still do not see Kami, then that's a totally separate problem, because what that means is you do not have the Kami extension. So please let me know, and then I would show you the directions for that. But like I said, I'm pretty sure all of the students have it, so it's just a matter of troubleshooting. So let's just actually look at the Kami, and there's a few things I'd like to talk to you about. Okay. So all of the students are pretty good about using these side features, which is nice. What was tricky was over here. First thing we have to remember is anytime when you finish your work, you have to save it. Unfortunately, it doesn't always save. So when you have turned things in, sometimes I don't see the work. So the save button is right up here. Right here, when you click on the save. And then what you would like to do is do the save now. I know it has the auto save, but it's one of those things where it saves like every 3 minutes or 5 minutes. So for those of you who do a paper in less than 5 minutes, if you don't save it, then it won't recognize it. So you always want to save before you turn in. And also, many of you are trying to turn it in through here, but it was not letting you. However, starting on Friday, I was able to get the upgrade for everybody. So starting on Friday, the turn in button, when you finish the assignment, there's actually a turn on button over here, turn in, button, and you're able to turn it in, which will be nice. So that's the very first feature that you'll have. The second feature that the upgrade gives us is right over here. I'm able to do voice comments. So the next time your child has a PDF or actually any online article, they will have the voice comments. Make sure that they read those comments first, because what I'll do is talk a little bit about the article. I'll point out some things they need to keep in mind. For instance, right here, a lot of the students who did this paper earlier did not see the arrow, and they did not know that they were supposed to do some work. So that's where my voice comments will come in. Also, it'll be nice. I'll be able to explain exactly how to fill out these problems. For instance, over here, I had like a little sample for this question, for question 2, and all the students had to do was literally kind of copy it and fill in. But more than half of the students, including my own son, did not see it. So that's why I like this voice commenting, because it'll be able to help me kind of walk the students through, so they'll get a little bit of the teaching in. So all of that is going to take place on Friday, which is why I'm hoping that everyone feels comfortable with Kami. If you still have any questions or problems, please get back to me. Okay, thank you.